విండోస్ ఎంఈ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇక నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్కడికంటే మనం విండోస్ ఎక్స్పీకి వెళ్తున్నాం. సో విండోస్ ఎక్స్పీలో పాయింట్స్ తీసుకుందాం. ఒకటి ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఏంటి అంటే ఇక్కడ కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ని కనుక మనం కన్సిడర్ చేసినట్లయితే ఎక్స్పీ దట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్, రైట్, ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్. అండ్ దీని యొక్క మెయిన్ ఉద్దేశం ఏంటి అని అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ ఫర్ ది దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ ఫర్ ది పర్సనల్ కంప్యూటర్స్, exclusively for personal computers, exclusively for the personal computers అంటే పర్సనల్ కంప్యూటర్స్కి దాన్ని ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్గా యూజ్ చేయడం అన్నట్టు. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ ద ఇయర్ 2000, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2001, రైట్, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2001. ఓకే, రైట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఏంటి అంటే ద స్టోరేజ్ స్పేస్ కెపాసిటీ, రైట్. Free space storage 3.75 GB on disk 3.75 GB. Okay, for the installation, right, this is 3.75 GB, right. Next, one more point in this video adapters. Okay, it includes video adapters and Super VGA. So it includes video adapters and Super VGA, video graphic array. Super VGA resolution, that is 800 into 600, high resolutions VGA resolution. Okay, VGA resolution, that is right. Next, one more point, it supports to sound card. Okay, internal modem card. So internal modem card, okay, right. And serial and parallel port communications, serial and parallel port communications, serial and parallel port communications, right. So వాటికి సంబంధించిన పాయింట్స్ ఇన్ దిస్. అండ్ స్పీకర్స్, headphones, so everything, speakers. Next one is headphones, so comma etc. So these are the points. Now, so what are the points to remember in this? Explorer, exclusively for the personal computers, released in 2001. The free space storage on the disk, that is 3.75 GB. It includes video adapters and Super VGA 800 into 600 resolutions. VGA, that is video graphic array. So video graphic array, right, Super VGA resolutions. And it supports to sound card, internal modem card, serial and parallel port communication, speakers and headphone points. So these are the points related to the Windows XP communications, right. Okay, so now Windows XP is done. Next we'll go with Windows Vista version. So Windows Vista version, next version, that is Windows Vista version. Okay, right, Vista version. The Vista version main purpose, this is Vista version main purpose, personal computers. One is personal computers. Next one, business applications, laptops, tablet PCs, laptop PCs, tablet PCs, okay, right. And media center PCs, right, media center PCs, comma etc. Now Windows Vista version main purpose, that is personal computer, business applications, laptops, tablets, and media center PCs. So that is the one of the point. And it is released in the year 2007 released. Okay, released year, that is 2007 version, released year 2007 version. And minimum hardware requirements. So what are the minimum hardware requirements for this operating system? That is minimum hardware requirements. Okay, minimum requirements, that is Pentium 4. For example, now Pentium 4 processor minimum requirements. Okay, next one is 512 MB of RAM. Okay, 512 MB of RAM. Next one is 32 MB video card. 32 MB video card minimum requirements, that is 32 MB video card, and 40 GB hard disk. So 40 GB hard disk. Okay, 40 GB hard disk. So this is the minimum requirements. Okay, the main efficiency of this Vista version is nothing but visual style. So visual style is introduced, that is visual style is introduced. So these are the points. Now see here, Windows Vista, the main purpose of Windows Vista: personal computer, business application, laptops, tablets, media center PCs, etc. Released year 2007. And what are the minimum requirements? Pentium 4, 512 MB, 32 GB video card, and 40 GB hard disk requirements. The main intention of the Vista style Windows Vista is nothing but visual effects, that is the graphical effects, that is visual style. Okay, visual style graphical effects. So these are the points related to the Windows Vista version. So Windows 7 Vista is done. Next we will go with Windows 7. Now in this Windows 7, so in Windows 7, that is right, released in 2009. Okay, now this is released. So released in July 2009. So 2009 version, that is Windows 7, released in 2009 version, released in the 2009 year, and it is upgraded to Windows XP and Vista. So it is upgraded to Windows XP and Windows Vista versions. So Windows Vista versions upgraded to, right. And the supporting features for this operating system, that is based on it supports to 64-bit processor. Now it supports to 64-bit processor. It supports to the 64-bit processor. And okay, speech recognition and handwriting recognition is available, right. Speech recognition and handwriting recognition introduced. So introduced speech recognition and handwriting recognition was introduced in this, right. And one more point in this, it supports media applications. It supports to playback media. That is .mp4 format and .mov, comma, etc. .mp4 and .mov, right. And it includes Windows biometric framework. It includes Windows biometric framework. Next one is it includes firewall, right. It provides multiple firewalls. Now it provides multiple firewalls. it provides multiple firewalls for data security. This is firewalls for data security, right? Once point 2009 version, Windows 7 upgraded to Windows XP and Vista versions, supports a 64-bit processor, speech recognition and handwriting recognition introduced. It supports to the playback media .mp4 .movie, right? Movie files, video files, right? And it includes Windows biometric framework application, and it provides multiple firewalls for data protections for uploading and downloading files. And firewalls are used to protect your browser or protect your PC from malwares or unwanted files. Suppose if you are when you are using internet, okay, some others. So these are the points related to the Windows 7. Next we'll go with Windows 8, right? Now the points that are related to the Windows 8 applications, right? Windows 8. In this Windows 8, this is released in the year 2012. Released in 2012 version. So released in 2012 version, and it is upgraded version indirectly, that is related to the NT family. Okay, and it uses 64-bit logical CPU. 64-bit logical CPU is introduced. One point. Next one is it supports to 64-bit terabyte. Okay, 64 terabyte, either 64-bit or 64 TB terabyte dynamic dynamic hard disk. Okay, it supports to the 64 terabyte dynamic hard disk implementations. Okay, next one is it provides a 3D graphics support. It provides one more point, it provides 3D graphics support. So 3D graphics support is implemented in Windows 8 for Internet Explorer 10 for IE 10 version. So, okay, Internet Explorer 10 version. Okay, right, and Internet Explorer 10 version is also introduced. Right, okay, these are the points related to this one. 2012, 64-bit logical CPU, 64 TB dynamic hard disk space, 3D graphics support, and here one more point, that is Internet 10 version. Okay, Internet 10 version, Internet Explorer version 10, Internet Explorer 10th version is introduced. Okay, right. So last one, Windows 10 version. Windows 10, the last version is Windows 10. Yes, Windows 10. So in this in Windows 10, okay, in Windows 10 the first version for public testing beta version, so beta version in year 2014. So in year 2014, that is in the beta version introduced, that is in 2014, and so completely full-fledged they are released in the year 2015. Okay, consumer released. So consumer released released in 2015, consumer released in 2015. So that is EV 2 points. What is some manage? Throughout the next major features. Okay, it is easy to used social medias. Okay, currently we are using this one only, latest version, that is Windows 10 social medias. Okay, right, social medias like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, right? Facebook, then Twitter, so then YouTube, so comma etc. right? And one more point, it includes gaming DVR. So it includes gaming DVR. Okay, so it includes a gaming DVR, right? Okay, right. Next one is high level firewall security. So high level firewall security is available, right? Currently we are using this operating system, comma, etc. So these are the points related to the Windows 10. First beta version 2014, consumer released in 2015, right? Okay, it is used to use social medias, right? And it includes gaming DVR, right? A high level firewall security that is implemented. So these are the points related to the Windows versions, all the Windows versions, right? 95, NT, 98, ME, XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10.